There's a lot of concern about a private conversation that was caught on microphone between Minister Shane Ross and the Tánaiste Simon Coveney in relation to checks at the border in the aftermath of a no-deal Brexit. Now, yesterday's vote in the British Parliament is serious for Ireland and is serious for the UK and the European Union as well, economically, politically and socially. And that is why in the Dáil today, in discussing that exchange between Shane Ross and Simon Coveney, I called for full honesty from the government in terms of its details on planning for a no-deal Brexit, and also that private conversation, that private understanding that government ministers seem to have about checks at the border after a no-deal Brexit, something they have not shared with the public up to now. And I call for full honesty from the Taoiseach to trust the Irish people, to share the full details of all their plans with them, and indeed their private views on what happens at the border after a no-deal Brexit if such a scenario emerges.